All right, that was just our 1 pound of imitation crab that we shredded. I'm next gonna come in with my whipped cream cheese, and we're gonna add this whole entire container of whipped cream cheese into our bowl with our shredded crab. This is gonna be a super easy, super delicious recipe that everyone will love. All right, get all of that in there, perfect. Now we are gonna season this up with a little bit of garlic powder. I just think garlic powder goes perfectly with this style of dish. And then we need a little bit of sea salt in this, just to really bring that savoriness. Just a couple teaspoons of that. Now I have my Worcestershire sauce, or wash your sister sauce, and we're gonna add a little bit of that in there. Perfect, not too much. And then for some freshness, I have my green onions, and these are about like a day old or two, but that shouldn't matter. And we're going to cut our green onions right into our bowl with our crab, cream cheese, and Worcestershire sauce. Oh my goodness, it smells so good already. That Worcestershire sauce is just my all-time favorite. And we're just getting a good amount in here. We don't need too much. That should be perfect. Now I'm gonna grab a large spatula and we're gonna mix everything together. We're kind of making a crab rangoon mixture, and you can use fresh crab, but I just like the imitation because it's more affordable. But if you have the budget for crab, go big and go home to the grocery store or something like that. That looks like it is mixed well enough. Beautiful. Now we're gonna put this to the side, bring in our 9 by 13, and I have here 2 sticks of melted butter. And we're gonna add a little bit of that butter on the bottom of our pan, just like that. Make sure it kind of gets from edge to edge. Beautiful. Next, we're gonna come in with our phyllo dough, and this comes with 2 rolls. We're gonna start off with 1 whole roll. Get this out. Add that whole roll onto the bottom of our 9 by 13 with that butter, and kind of just really push it into that butter. Doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be laid down flat. Yum. I love this phyllo dough. You can find it in the frozen section next to the puff pastry. We're gonna add a little bit more butter, because what is phyllo dough without butter?
Nothing.
All right. I have this that we can use to kind of spread on top of our dough. Yummy. And I use salted butter, but you can use unsalted if you don't want it to be too salty. Perfect. Okay, we're coming in with that crab mixture. We're gonna add this entire thing right on top of our buttery phyllo dough, making sure that we spread it from edge to edge. You guys always know we gotta spread it from edge to edge, and we're gonna make sure that every bite has some of that delicious crab rangoon filling that we just made. Yep, this is inspired by crab rangoon, but it's gonna have a crispy, buttery crust to it. I mean, that sounds absolutely delicious. That looks absolutely flawless. Now we do have 1 more roll of our phyllo dough, and we are gonna unravel it just like we did the first one, super fast. It's gonna go right on top of that crab mixture. That seems good to me. Squish it down just like we did before. Okay, and we're gonna add the rest of our butter on here. To make this a true baklava, we're gonna grab our knife and we're gonna do some diagonal cuts. And as we cut, that butter is just gonna fall into our phyllo dough. All right, we got our diagonals. Now we're gonna go right along the center to create some vertical lines. I know it might be kind of hard to see those lines right now, but once this gets cooking, it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for 45 minutes. Oh my, look how beautifully buttery that looks. I don't think I really did well with my diamond cuts, but that's okay. Now, before we dig into this, I am gonna grab my sweet chili sauce, and we're gonna kind of just get our bowl ready for this. And we're gonna add our thick chili sauce right in there. Obviously this is optional, but I love this stuff, especially with crab rangoons. Now, since I didn't cut perfect diagonals, I'm just gonna cut myself a slice. Oh, look at that.
Wow, that looks good.
Yeah. Woohoo. On our plate. Get some of that saucy sauce on there. Yeah. Yum. Oh.
Is it good?